Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn new vocabulary words about birds. So we are going to learn birds' names. Let's start. Crow. It's a crow. Pigeon. It's a pigeon. Bald eagle. It's a bald eagle. Robin. It's a robin. Cuckoo. It's a cuckoo. Sparrow. It's a sparrow. Parrot. It's a parrot. Peacock. It's a peacock. Hawk. It's a hawk. Woodpecker. It's a woodpecker. Raven. It's a raven. Dove. It's a dove. Turkey. It's a turkey. Hummingbird. It's a hummingbird. Finch. It's a finch. Swallow. It's a swallow. Sandpiper. It's a sandpiper. Pelicaniformes. It's a pelicaniformes. Owl. It's an owl. Flamingo. It's a flamingo. Tern. It's a tern. Swan. It's a swan. Hornbill. It's a hornbill. Penguin. It's a penguin. Hen. It's a hen. Goose. It's a goose. Stork. It's a stork. Crane. It's a crane. Kiwi. It's a kiwi. Duck. It's a duck. Falcon. It's a falcon. Goldfinch. It's a goldfinch. Eagle. It's an eagle. Did you enjoy the new vocabulary words about birds? If you like it, then press the like button and please subscribe. See you soon with new vocabulary words.